worry about was in the wintertime. You're at one of these northern bases like I was at Loring Air Force Base, Maine. If you put your hand, you have your glove on and it's sweating inside that glove, and you take that mitt off and you place it on the side of this aircraft when it's 35 below, like that, the lean, your hand ain't coming off. It's frozen through there. It's frozen right to the friggin' side of the aircraft, and you got to get some hot water on there or something to get it off. Not something you want to do. You learn about it's hard to believe in the days of global warming, but yeah, water would freeze